A drawbar is basically a threaded rod which pulls your cutter or collet tied to the spindle taper. There are two types of spindle tapers, the self-holding type and the self-releasing type. In this mill it's a self-holding Morsetaper 4. Usually a fierce tap with a hammer releases the tool from the taper, but empty-headed as I am, I inserted a cold tool in the already warm Morsetaper and had a fun time getting it out again. The idea is simple. There is some space between the end of the tool and the end of the spindle taper, where I can fix a washer to the drawbar. The drawbar is now held captive, and if you unscrew it, it will eject the tool, since the washer fixes the drawbar in place. I wouldn't call this threads. Since this is welded, I will bore it out and doesn't sound good. Well, I hope that's the issue. I see. This gear is damaged. Looks like the chip damaged the gear. Well, I wanted to cut gears anyways. The position of the hex head on the drawbar is crucial. Is it too high, the tool will bottom out on the washer and not on the spindle taper. Is it too low, the drawbar won't freely rotate. Don't make the same mistake I did and slide the collet block on the drawbar before you glue the hex head on.